Nightshade vegetables. Members of the Solanaceae family are staples in many diets thanks to their vibrant colors, rich flavors, and versatility. Common examples include tomatoes, potatoes, not sweet potatoes, eggplants, peppers, tomatillos, goji berries, and paprika. These vegetables are packed with nutrients and provide numerous health benefits. For instance, tomatoes contain lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that supports heart health and reduces cancer risk, while chili peppers contain capsaicin, known to boost metabolism and alleviate pain. Potatoes are an excellent source of potassium and vitamin C, and eggplants provide fiber, manganese, and B vitamins, all of which contribute to improved immunity, digestion, and skin health. Despite these benefits, nightshade vegetables can pose risks for certain individuals, particularly those with autoimmune or inflammatory conditions. Their seeds and skins often contain natural compounds like lectins and alkaloids, which may irritate the gut and contribute to leaky gut syndrome by increasing intestinal permeability. Alkaloids, such as solanine in potatoes and capsaicin in peppers, can exacerbate inflammation, worsen joint pain in people with arthritis, and cause digestive discomfort. For individuals with autoimmune disorders like rheumatoid arthritis or lupus, these compounds may trigger immune responses and flare-ups. For most people, however, these risks can be mitigated with proper preparation. Removing seeds and peels from tomatoes, peppers, and eggplants can reduce exposure to irritants. Cooking methods like boiling, steaming, and roasting lower the levels of alkaloids and make the vegetables easier to digest. Fermenting nightshades also breaks down problematic compounds, while choosing fully ripened produce minimizes alkaloid levels further. Those who suspect sensitivity to nightshades can try an elimination diet by removing them for 3 to 4 weeks and reintroducing them gradually to identify any adverse effects. Pairing nightshades with anti-inflammatory foods like leafy greens, turmeric, or fatty fish can also help offset potential inflammation, while rotating them in your diet reduces the cumulative burden. Incorporating these strategies allows most people to safely enjoy the benefits of nightshade vegetables while minimizing potential downsides. However, individuals with specific health concerns should consult a healthcare provider for personalized guidance. By tailoring your diet to your needs, you can enjoy the nutrients and flavors of nightshades without compromising your well-being.